We are going to review top 5 best kids ice skates. Let's get started. List number 1. XINO Sports Adjustable Ice Skates. First up is this adorable pair of ice skates that are adjustable so they can grow with your child. They come in pink and blue, and they're available in size small for toddlers who wear sizes 10 to 13. It is well into the 21st century and technology has caused traditional family values to decline and quality time has been replaced by electronic gadgets and devices. Are you looking for an awesome way to get the kids to be more active again and spend more time outdoors with their friends? Ice skating is a great way to have some fun while getting the exercise both indoors and outdoors. XINO Sports Premium Ice Skates for ice hockey, figure skating or recreation. Easily adjustable with reinforced ankle support that provides extra stability where it is needed most. List number 2. Jackson ULTIMA Finesse Figure Skates. These figure skates are ideal for any toddler who might want to eventually take lessons. They're supportive, cozy, and made by a well-known ice skate company. You can buy them in toddler sizes 8 to 10, and they're also available for kids up to size 3. Jackson ULTIMA Finesse 180 Soft Skate Figure Ice Skates. The Finesse series combines Jackson designs with volume purchasing power to create unsurpassed value in recreational figure skates. Soft Skates by Jackson integrates the warmth and comfort of SOFTEC with a traditional white figure skate. The boot is matched with Jackson's new entry-level ULTIMA blade, the industry leader in blade technology. Luxury comfort to start you off on the right edge. List number 3. SKATEEZ Skate Enablers. These SKATEEZ Skate Enablers will help your kiddos' confidence when first stepping on the ice. It helps with their balance and will allow them to veer away from the wall. Like training wheels for skates, the goal of SKATEEZ is to give children the opportunity to get on the ice and allow them to experience the freedom and enjoyment of ice skating. For parents, it's a product that relieves them of the back-breaking scenario that typically goes along with teaching their children how to skate. Lightweight, easy to attach, durable and long-lasting. Parent isn't forced to bend over, which in turn prevents them from an aching back. Recommended age 3 to 8 years old. List number 4. PLACID Nitro Adjustable Ice Skates. It always feels good finding a great product for a great price. According to reviews, you can't find better intro skates with adjustable straps than this pair. They're available in small for shoe sizes 11 to 1, medium for sizes 1 to 4, and large for sizes 4 to 7. Look cool on the ice in the PLACID Nitro 8.8 ice skates. Easy push-button design allows you to easily adjust the size to fit your child's growing foot. Textile and synthetic. Easy push-button adjustable molded boot construction. Washable comfort liner. Quick fit cam buckles. Heat-treated, nickel-plated carved steel blades. Adjustable sizing, small fits shoe sizes 11 to 1. List number 5. Jackson ULTIMA SOFTEC 5 Adjustable Skate. Durable skates designed for any kid who wants to spend more time actually skating than lacing up their skates. This pair has a speed lacing closure system with a single pull design. Sounds fancy, right? The adjustable straps and the cushion foam lining will make sure your kiddo is extra comfortable on the ice. Sizing can be adjusted to accommodate growing feet. Soft boot with external skeletal structure provides comfort and support. Recreational blade attached. Extra small, purple. Sizing can be adjusted to accommodate growing feet.